how to make stamps in Krita. First, we have to start to realize something that we can start to make it on the design. So we have to know the stamp design image with the stamp. What we're gonna see that is still nearly something that we're gonna delete it on this kind of the layer. So what you're gonna do is about I'm deleting all the layers by the way. So this really what I gonna see. This is layer 5 that I have, or layer 3 that we're gonna see. So about that, we're gonna start to go file, go for an import animation frames, and then click on add image. Now we click on that one and then click on OK. Now we're gonna start to drag this image, and then we started to have to select this with rectangle selection. So we're gonna start to click on edit and define brush presets. Okay, this may be one of things that we're gonna start to realize on it, and that is all about for quick stamping on it. This can be really on side of a version, on a certain version on Krita, but that is because my third step is not identifying this. So that is all about